Hi there, I'm going to show you how to take a screen grab in Mac OSX. Now, there's actually two ways of doing this. You can take the entire screen, so everything that's showing now, in one maneuver, or you can take a specific area of the screen or an image. So we're going to do the whole screen first. So basically, all you need to do is hold down the Command, Shift, and the number 3 key. Now, when you do that, it will take a quick photograph of the whole screen. Now, there it appears, screenshot of the entire screen. So let's just open that. It opens up as a PNG file, so that's going to open up as standard in preview. So you can see that's taken a quick screenshot. Now, say for example, we just wanted the image of this part of the mountain, or something on another website, something with a specific area. Then what we actually press is Command, Shift, and 4. Okay. Now once you've held those down, as you can see, we're looking at this area that we want to take a picture of. So we're going to press Command, Shift, and 4 and hold those together, and we get our crosshairs. Now I can take an area that I want. And so now you see the screenshot has appeared. So again, that opens up, so we've got a picture of that. Hope this is useful. If it has been, please like it, please share, and please subscribe to the channel. Loads more on Mac OSX, loads more on Mac OSX, High Sierra, and lots more. Do share. Bye bye.